Did your credit card statement hit you with a charge that makes absolutely no sense? Don't panic, you might be able to dispute it and win. Step 1. Gather your evidence. This is crucial. Collect everything related to the transaction: receipts, emails, contracts, and any other documents proving the charge is inaccurate or unauthorized. Step 2. Contact the merchant directly. Explain the issue clearly and politely. Keep a record of the date, time, who you spoke with, and the outcome of the conversation. Document everything, even if it seems insignificant. Step 3. File a formal dispute with your credit card company. You can usually find a dispute form online or contact their customer service. Provide all the evidence you gathered and the details of your communication with the merchant. Step 4. Adhere to deadlines. Credit card companies typically have a time frame for filing disputes, usually 60 to 120 days from the date of the statement. Miss the deadline, and you could lose your chance to dispute. Step 5. Follow up. Don't just file the dispute and forget about it. Check in with your credit card company periodically to see the status of your claim. Be persistent but polite. By following these steps and building a solid case, you significantly increase your chances of a successful resolution. Remember, you have rights as a consumer. Good luck.